It's a word to the wise. This is just my story, I'm just saying. Big Skills 101, I'm living life. I'm about to take off in this one. I gotta speak the truth. Growing up, I never amount to nothing, so I had to come up and turn into something. I do this for the people whose lives were all hell, the ones who speak the truth and never tell a tale. I was in and out of jail and in and out of prison, cause growing up I had nobody who'd ever listen. Man, shit was so ugly, mirrors shattering to disaster. Wasn't able to be accepted by a church pastor. Had barely any clothes, so my fat ass was straight mob. Was hungry every day, I'd have to cut down on the cob. Gotta do this rap shit, so the evil's a new sequel. But forgive me for my choices that turned so lethal. Ain't done a crime that I ain't ever had to do. Ain't a dream that's not being pursued. But this rap game's fucked, it's ate up like shark food. Ate up like shark food, yeah. Check, check, yeah. I ain't even in the mood, so homie, get from around me. Let me tell my story once and hit this fucking tree. These eyes of all people been lost in poverty. I see all you fakes around playing hide and seek. My mind is like a rose, it's growing higher and wider. I admit, coming from where I come from, I'm a survivor. Try to find an exit sign away from the struggle, but this shit turned me into Big Skills, no rebuttal, yeah.
Nobody can see behind his eyes. You can see all the tears and lies, all the fakes, all the haters. Here's my word, and to the ones listening, here's my word. Yeah, nobody can see behind his eyes. You can see all the tears and lies, all the fakes, all the haters. Here's my word, and to the ones listening, here's my word. Skills. People ask for $1 but take you for granted. Hate the way we living today, man, I just can't stand it. Rappers get it checked and flip their money to an addiction, and people always wonder why there's hella confliction. Man, my best friend turned me to putting my heart into this, but kissed his dream away for dope without even a kiss. Fuck this rap game, all you gotta do is tell the truth. But there's way more to this besides a mic and boot. Ain't no reason to get shook, this is my life without a book. Call me a thug or a fuck up, but I'm the rat named Crooks. Groupies got no time for them, pussy ain't running this. Haters ain't shit, there's a bird for you, bitch. When I make it for my mama, hell yeah, there's no question. No more time to struggle, no more time for recession. It's time to lose all this